I'm down on the airport road and I have seen these platforms quite a number of times as I'm going up and down, but I haven't bothered videoing them because I haven't a clue what they are, what they're for. Are they observation platforms, or are they anything to do with the oil industry? I have no idea. Are they going to be towed out somewhere? Are they for inside a harbour area? I just don't know. So if anybody can get back to me and tell me what these, there's a lot of these being constructed at the minute, and I've seen them, as I say, but I've no idea what they are. So get back to me and let me know what they are. Okie doke. These have to be for the oil industry. They have to be, surely. Don't know. Any ideas?